Hey guys, I'm Trey, and I want to teach you today how to start a UGC business from scratch from someone that only started about 2 weeks ago and has already made over $1,000 in this business. It's not scary, it's not hard. You just got to decide that you want to do it. That's step one. Decide you want to do UGC. Once you've decided you want to put in the effort to do this, head over to Gmail and create a free Gmail account for your business. For instance, mine is ugc.tray@gmail.com. It makes it super simple when you're signing up for the apps or sending emails to brands to have them all in one simple location to find. This is step 1A. I didn't have this included in my initial list, but you don't have to have a lot of fancy gadgets and gizmos to be able to start UGC. All that I had when I first started this was my iPhone, some lights that I've had around the house, and this little microphone right here that I bought off of TikTok Shop. It was super simple to get and super cheap, but it works and it helps. But you don't have to have that. You can literally just start with your iPhone and a window. You don't have to have lights, you don't have to have microphones. All you need is your phone. I said iPhone, that's what I use. If you have an Android, you can do that too. Just use your phone and go find some natural light to create your videos. Once you get into this and you start bringing in some money and you want to invest in your business, then you can go and buy your lights, your microphones to make your quality go a little bit bigger. But getting started, you don't have to have all of that. You can just use your phone. Okay, now step two. Step two is find 4 to 6 products around your house that you already love and start talking about them. So, like I said in step 1A, my first product that I talked about was this, my little microphones. It's from Autorama. I got it off a TikTok shop. You just talk about your product. All I did was find this. I made a 30-second video of me talking about how I use this for my theater program. I attached them to the ceiling to make my video quality better for my kids' shows. And that was it. It was 30 seconds. It took me about 5 minutes to shoot and edit the video. And then I had my first video for UGC. So you're just going to continue that process, going through getting about 4 to 6 products so you can get that good core videos you're going to start with. I say 4 to 6 because a lot of the apps that I've looked at all need about 4 to 6 videos for you to upload in order to create your portfolio on that app. We'll talk about portfolios a litlittle later in this video. All right, step 3. Now that you have your 4 to 6 videos and your email address, you're going to go sign up for this app, the Insense app. It's super simple to sign up for, and this is where I've made my $1,000 over the last 2 weeks. All you have to do is sign up, upload your videos to your portfolio on the app, then create a short 15-second video resume that basically says, hey, I'm Trey. I am a UGC creator. I'm a millennial. I love creating videos for products. I create high quality videos, and I'm looking forward to working with your brand. Connect with me today. That's it. Super simple, super short and sweet and to the point. Once you've uploaded your 4 to 6 videos to your Insense portfolio, you've uploaded your resume, all of those things, then you want to start applying to the brands that are offering brand deals. They're easy. You can just scroll through. They're varying prices. I like Insense because it actually shows you how much they're willing to pay you. It gives you a price range. I normally shoot in the middle of the price range just to be competitive, but that is how I've gotten most of my brand deals on this app. I will tell you one of the best things about this, if you do good quality work, the brands will come back to you. I say that because when I created my first video for a financial brand, I gave it back to them about 3 hours after I got hired. And they were so excited because I was fast and it didn't take 24 to 48 hours to do it. They asked me immediately if I wanted to do another video for an additional $100. Duh, no brainer. I want to do a $100 video. Come on. So do good work and send it in a reasonable time period. Sometimes it may take a little bit longer to do the videos, but if you get asked to do a brand deal that doesn't require you to show the product, but just requires you to speak to the screen, go shoot the video and send it to them quickly. It will pay off in the end. I promise. And now, step 4. Now that we've created our 4 to 6 videos, we've talked to people on Insense, hopefully you're starting to build up a little bit of reputation, and you've got a couple more videos that you've added in from your brand deals, it's time to create your digital portfolio. I'm going to drop my portfolio down below. It's a template link to Canva, so you can go on there and use that to create your portfolio if you'd like. You will need Canva Pro because I've used Pro features on mine, but it's $12.95 a month and it is so worth it. I'm just saying I use Canva every single day it's worth it to pay the $12.95 a month. I will also say when you create your website, spend the few dollars and buy a personalized domain through Canva. Don't buy the domain on GoDaddy, don't buy it on Wix, whatever. Buy the domain from Canva. You pay a one-time fee for the domain and never have to pay it again. It's worth the money to have a personalized domain. Mine is tracebeers.portfolio.com. Super simple, easy to send out. I love it. So yeah, create a Canva portfolio, start uploading your information on there. You can use my template if you want to, or just go on Canva. They have hundreds of templates you can use. Okay, step 5. Now you are ready to start pitching brands. What I did was start on Instagram. I went on Instagram, found the brands that I knew, like, and trusted, and I started sending them DMs. I will leave a template for that right here. That is the same template that I used when I started messaging brands, and it helps. You just have to end it with that question of, can you point me in the right direction? Would you be willing to help me find the person to talk to? Most times they will write back and say, sure, email this person. Now, I have not yet finished a brand deal, but I did reach out to a brand, Taylor Brands, and within a few days, they wrote me back and offered me a brand deal for $500 to create a 30-second video. $500 for a 30-second video. It's so exciting, but I haven't done that yet. I actually am going to be doing that in the middle of April, so I'm super excited about that. But that's how I did it. I went on Instagram, I messaged them, they gave me somebody else's email address, I emailed them, they wrote back and said, hey, we're so excited about this, reach out to this person. So I emailed the next person and she was like, yes, I want to use your video in May. We'll reach out in the middle of April to pay you and get you started, and we can get going from there. What do you mean? What have I been doing my whole life? Why have I not been making UGC videos? Come on. So yes, please go on Instagram, DM these brands, talk to them, try to get the brand deals from there. If you want to find something else, you can go on X. There are tons of UGC opportunities on X. Just go on there. The UGC community on X is very, 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 very great. At the end of the day, you want to help others because we can all succeed in this business. All right, step 6, final step. It's optional. You don't have to do this. I recommend it, but you don't have to. You want to either create social media accounts that are specifically for your UGC business, or do like I did and rebrand your social media accounts to be UGC based. I did that because I already had a following on 3 of my social media platforms. So I just rebranded myself to UGC_Trey and started posting my content on there. Now, when I say rebrand, I went into my social media platforms and archived all the videos so that I could start fresh, but still keep my following. So that's up to you. It's optional. It is nice sometimes because some of the brands want to see your accounts and see what you're able to do. All that I do is post the UGC videos that I create on those accounts. So that's the same across all of my accounts. Now, I will say, on Insense, some of the brands want you to post on your account. Others do not want you to post on your account. So pay close attention when you're applying for these brand deals as to whether you're allowed to post or not allowed to post. You don't want to post videos that they've asked you not to post because then that makes you not get more brand deals. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This was a short video, I hope, and I hope it helps you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or send me an email. It's ugc.trae@gmail.com. I'd be happy to help you out. We're all in this together and we can all make a lot of money. Let's do it. All right. Bye.